Hi guys, well, today's vlog is just Yami thinking some crap again, you know. As you guys all know, I was able to go to California for a week with some friends and got to do Disneyland, and I loved it. And I have video and it's got to come out, but my mom was in town when I came home, and so I was with her at the resort for a week. So I was away from the house for 2 weeks, and so I just haven't been able to catch up yet on videos. I've been having 2 doctor's appointments every day just to get them all together because I missed 2 weeks of doctor's appointments, so I had to double them up this week. And in fact, I forgot I need to go for my allergy shot, and today's Thursday, so that'll be after this next appointment. I got to go see my kidney doctor. It's my 6-month checkup with him. So, but been really doing some thinking. I enjoyed going to California, and I want Boo to go with me. And we can't afford for him and I both to go. So the reason I went by myself was because of that. I am on disability. Boo does work. Cost of living here in Florida is ridiculously high. How we do it, I have no idea, but somehow we're making it. Making it by the skin of our teeth, you know. But what I want Boo to see this. So what we did was we contacted our little travel agent, Elizabeth, and I told her, I said, can you do Disneyland packages? She's like, yes. So she worked out a package for us, and a nice price. I mean, for the hotel room and the tickets to the park. And we're going to go in October so we can go to the Boo Bash. Is that what it's called? The Oogie Boogie Bash? I think it's called. Not Boo Bash. I think it's the Oogie Boogie Bash. We want to go to that party, but we also want to see Christmas decorations. So we're going to go like right at the end of November or October and beginning of November, so we can get both seasons in while there and get to see the Christmas. I missed the Christmas decorations by 1 day. So I don't want to happen that again. I don't want that to happen again. So I'm going to work on getting us there so we can see both places. So the reason for my vlog and my little talk right now while I'm on my way to my doctor's is I love doing this content. I love being able to bring you guys videos and show you things, and it helps me interact with other people. I really do enjoy doing this. Sometimes I got to get out of my nervous stage because sometimes I'm nervous to do it. Yeah, me nervous, go figure. So I want to keep doing this, but it's getting too expensive. You're wondering how? Well, keeping up the Disney tickets, the gas, going back and forth. If we try new things, you know, the new foods, you know, that. Trying to find things that we could do to bring to you guys that doesn't cost us a lot of money, because it's already expensive as it is. I mean, Disney tickets are going up. I know passes are going up. Oh my gosh. You know, so, you know, that's going to add on an additional, you know, $10 a month on our passes, more than likely, once we go to renew. And it's getting a little too expensive. So I'm making myself this deal. I'm giving myself 1 year. So by the end of October, beginning of November next year, when we go to Disneyland, if I'm not monetized by then, I'm going to stop the channel. I'm going to have to walk away from Yami's Adventures because it's just not helping me. And I'm not giving you this video to ask for money. I'm not asking for no money. The only thing I'm asking for you is to watch all my videos a couple of times, tell your friends about me, share my video on your Facebook page, Instagram, whatever. Share me with your people and tell them to come watch. And especially if you're enjoying what you see with us, I want you to tell them what you like about us and have them follow us and become subscribers. every time I think I'm almost there, getting closer to 1,000 more hours, it drops more again. I'm at 1,000 hours. I need 4,000 hours. Now there is a way to do by doing shorts, and shorts get a lot of view, and so that's something I'm looking into doing, the shorts. But if I can't get monetized by 1 year, I'm walking away from Yammy's Adventures, or we will end Yammy's Adventures. I'm not walking away from it because we're just going to end it. That's the only thing I can do. I've thought about it. I've cried over it. I've cried over it. I don't want to walk away. I don't want to close. I don't want to quit the channel. But I have to be monetized, and that's not asking you for money. Being monetized does not have anything to do with you guys giving me any money. What you guys watch is free to watch me. It's when I get commercials. I can add commercials into my video, and those commercials are what I get paid by. So it's the companies that pay me, the commercial companies. It's not you guys. I'm not asking you to send me money, or anything. I do have a Patreon account, which if you would like to join that, for $5 a month, you can get some inside content, get some notification before others, find out about things, and every once in a while I send out something a little special to you. But I like doing this stuff. So today's just pretty much, I don't know what else to do. If I can get more people to comment, you guys are doing great right now. I'm loving this. Every time I turn around, I'm getting a comment, and I love that, because I want to hear what you guys have to say. I want to see what you guys want to say, see what you have to say, and interact with you. So, and I try to do my best to interact. Sometimes I don't know what to say, so that makes me a little awkward at times. On what to reply back, and it's working. It really is. So that's pretty much it. But I'm going into this kidney doctor. I had some blood work done. Got the results yesterday. They don't look good on my kidney function and my liver functions. So I'm going to see what my kidney doctor, he also did blood work. So we'll see what he has to say. I hope I like his answers better than I liked my rheumatologist's answers. So we'll see what he has to say. And but I'll get back to you guys, okay? Alright, I didn't finish off yesterday's video. Leaving my kidney doctor. Fantastic news. Everything turns out great. Their test is more reliable than the test that my other doctor did, and he tells me that every time I go. So my kidney functions are perfect. So she says my filtration is good, everything is good. So I'm okay with my kidneys. Now the liver, we're gonna have to wait until March, and I'll get it retested in March, and we'll see where it goes from there. But doctors aren't worried about it. I'm not going to worry about it either. Everything's fine. It's just a number right now. We'll worry about it if the number's not any better, or if it's worse. If it's worse, then we'll worry about it. If it's the same or better, we're not going to worry about it. But I can't sit and worry. I know I say worry a lot, right? Worry. But I'm not. I'm not worrying. Seriously, I'm not. So I'm heading now to go meet Donna for lunch. I haven't seen her in over 3 weeks, so we're having bestie withdrawals. So, okay, some more information that I found out on Disney. Even the annual passes do not go up until December 8th, and we have to renew ours on December 5th. So we get to renew on the old price, and next year we'll downgrade our passes if the prices increase. Or depending where we're at financially. If I'm monetized by then, or if I'm not doing YouTube anymore, then we'll just go down to the Pixie Pass, you know, the cheapest pass they have, because yeah, it's expensive living here. And we can't afford to move. Everything's too expensive. Everything's up, and the places that we can afford, you know, there's a long waiting list for that, so we just have to wait for that. But we're going to get signed up with one of the places finally, and get our name on the list, and we'll just wait out our time and see how that goes. So I'm just closing out this video and letting you guys know that I love you guys. I love doing YouTube. I really do. I really would hate to see it go away. And all I ask is your time. Just some of your time. Watch my videos. Put it on in the background. If you're not watching TV, listen to me. Turn the volume down. You don't even have to listen. You can just peek over and see, oh, there's Yammy. Oh, there's Boo. Oh, there's Oli. You know, kind of a thing. But let's see where we can go. If you guys want to enjoy my content and want to keep it going, can you help me out? Can you help a girl out? And I am still doing park pickups. So if there's anything from the parks that you want, popcorn buckets, sippers, any kind of Christmas stuff. I just mailed off advent calendars to somebody, and then popcorn buckets. So if you order from me, and I would love for you to post a picture of your box, what you got, and show everybody what you purchased through me. And that's it. Just help a girl out, you know? Alright, guys. I'm almost to Lakeland. Gotta go. As always, thank you for being here. And I love you guys.